Hi everyone. So this is an introduction video for our course in DSA, in which we will be teaching entire DSA in 30 days, covering everything from zero to hero. Uh, so basically, uh, this is a Google Internship DSA Bootcamp. It is a series name in which our major goal is to be get DSA ready for any of a big company. What is in the series? We will be covering 200 plus DSA concepts, 400 coding questions, interview patterns, problem solving framework, Google style thinking. So basically, we will be covering all the concepts in 30 days daily, pattern wise and topic wise. And 400 around, we have a sheet of around 300 plus question. We will be solving it completely, the sheet, and some question would be in homework. And interview patterns, we will do pattern by, we will move both ways, like we will also do data structures, and sidewise we will also make direction in patterns and problem solving framework and Google style thinking. So these are my teaching principles that I have written here. No memorization and no tricks. Every topic from first principle. So basically, we would not be focusing on code templates or anything, etc. The major goal of it will be logical thinking, and problem solving, and problem solving. Uh, Also, so you will get daily video routine. You will get a daily video between 5 to 6, starting from 24th, from today. And now, if I have to tell you, basically our main motive would be to, rather than telling you code templates, etc., first we will be telling you why do we need it. Why do we need it? For example, if we are using a variable, why are we using a variable? If we are using an array, why are we using an array? Why do we need hash maps, etc., etc.? Why do two pointers approach, we use it? And why do we need sliding pattern, etc., different pattern? So our major goal will be answering why and what, and solving question, uh, starting from 24th, and best lecture each lecture flow. So our lecture flow will be understanding why do we need this data structure slash pattern. So when we start a lecture, I will tell you about why do we need this, why are we studying this. If we are studying that data structure, then I will tell you why do we need this data structure, or respectively why do we need this pattern. Basic theory for beginner, code template or steps to follow, recognition pattern, etc. So for example, if we are studying array, so code template means like traversing an array, etc. Basically making it simple for you. Basically, uh, if we are studying array, then I will tell you all the basics you need to write code if you don't know CPP or language, etc. Yeah, we will be doing the course in C++ only, and lots of problem. We will do lot of problem, and plus go from brute force to improved approach to optimal approach. Just follow for date 1 to 5 and see your rise in level. You can just follow from tomorrow. Yeah, this lecture is not, the introduction video is not that great, but I will make sure from day one, uh, all the things that I have said to you, the things I am promising in this video will be fulfilled under 30 days and complete. You will learn DSA and you will be a problem solver in these 30 days. Thank you. We are wrapping this introduction video right here, and please come join us from tomorrow.